Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Winter is here and our favorite holiday season. Let's make some peppermint hot chocolate stirrers. Let's get started. Equal portion of cocoa powder and sugar. Mix it well. For the mint, I have peppermints here. Just crush it in a Ziploc bag, just like so. And this is that peppermint powder. Mix it well, and then let's get to the chocolate molds. Microwave this chocolate chips. I have used semi-sweet chocolate morsels. So microwave it for 30 seconds, and then you get this liquid consistency, nice pouring consistency, and then some sprinkles to decorate. Now time to pour some chocolate. Add one more, and then you can spread the chocolate across on the sides. Alright, so this is how it looks. Keep it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Okay, so our cups are ready. Just pop it out, just like that. Just press it from the bottom and it will come out. Look at this, beautiful, isn't it? So I'm going to fill this with some cocoa powder mixture that we made earlier. Just 1 tablespoon is enough. I do not have the marshmallows right now, so but you can definitely add marshmallows here, and then we can then put a stick and then cover it with melted chocolate. Alright, so melt some chocolate again and then cover this up. And now that I have some marshmallows, let's get decorating. Dip some marshmallows into hot chocolate and just decorate it. Or you can keep it inside as well. When we put the cocoa powder inside, you can put it there as well. This looks extra nice, so I'm doing it this way. Okay, so make some hot milk and put your stirrers inside and enjoy the hot chocolate. Keep stirring. Look at that. Woohoo! Thanks for watching. And hey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.